Okay, now let's get into another ambiguous case sine law problem. So we need to determine an unknown angle measure, angle R. So I've already drawn a little triangle. Let's set it up. In your notes, you should draw one as well. So it's triangle PQR. So Q is in the middle there, PQR. Angle P is 36 degrees. Side P, so the side is always opposite. And it's 24.8 meters. And side Q, which is going to be 23.4 meters down here. I'll leave off the meters. Okay, so we know it's ambiguous case because we have a side, and an angle. So side, angle is ambiguous case, which means that there's more than one solution for this triangle, for what this angle could be. So let's set up the sine law for what we know, and I'm going to use the letters in this problem. So P over sine P is equal to Q over sine Q is equal to R over sine R. So there's our sine law. Well, we look at which version of this, which arrangement of this we want to use, and we're looking for angle R, but we don't know side R, which would be over here, of course. So we're not going to be able to use that right away. So let's see if we can find, well, we have side Q, so we can try to find angle Q. So let's do that. So we have lowercase p, side P over over the angle, sine of the angle, P is equal to 23.4, that's side Q, and well, we don't know our angle Q. So we'll cross multiply here, just like that, to get that 24.8 multiplied by sine Q is equal to 23.4 times the sine of 36 degrees. Okay, so we'll divide both sides by 24.8. Cancel that there. And we'll get that the sine of angle Q is equal to 23.4 times sine 36 all over 24.8. And that's equal to decimal 5546. Stop there. So now we'll go Q is equal to the inverse sine of this decimal number, which will give us that angle Q is equal to 34 degrees. Okay. But since sine is positive in both quadrant 1s and quadrant 2, so let me just draw a little diagram just to illustrate this. So we have potentially a 34 degree angle here. That's what we just found for Q. Well, there's also a reference angle that would have the same value over here, right? So sine of this angle Q would still be equal to this number. So that makes this larger angle, I'll do it in a different color, this larger angle here also possible. So that angle, remember, this green angle I'll say is equal to 180 degrees minus 34 degrees is 146. So that's what that green angle theta is. So angle Q could be 146 degrees or it could be 34 degrees. But since angle P, which we know, plus angle Q, if we were to add those together, we would get 36 degrees plus 146 degrees, if we use the larger one. that would give us a measure of 182. And since 182 degrees is greater than 180 degrees, which is, this is the sum of all angles in a triangle. So since this part alone is bigger, we know that the other angle can't be anything, right? This triangle is not possible. So therefore, this second triangle is not possible. So there's only one solution. Only one solution. And that would be that, so if angle Q is 34, angle R would have to be equal to 180 degrees minus angle P, it's 36, minus our 34 degree angle Q, which is 110 degrees. And that's the only solution.